got a dead dog in the water there.
Looks kind of old in there.
That's crazy. That's actually crazy, bro.
That's sad.
That is real sad. Like, who would do that to their dog?
I wonder how it died.
I know,
It
for
easily
real.
could have swam.
Maybe it doesn't know how to. Some dogs don't.
It looks like it's still swimming to me.
It just goes woof, woof.
All right, I'm gonna motor up a little bit further.
Jason's got a fish on. I'll grab net. Stand a little bit that way. Back up. There you go. All right. Oh yeah, you got a nice one. Walleye. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one.
Tip up.
That's a good one. Tip up, tip up, tip up.
Tip up.
Come on, come on, come on. Got her. Yeah. Woo.
And he's off.
Got two, baby. That's the same color. You got any more just like that?
What is it? Show it to me.
It's green and yellow chartreuse. Mixed.
Yes, sir,
I
baby.
got this.
Dude, she came right off.
Hey, how about this guy?
Hold her up. Yeah. Ooh, that might work. We got two.
Yeah, we should throw it back.
Just a ding.
It's on the same color.
Hey, we're catching everything on chartreuse.
Chartreuse green.
What's the score here? Is this like the same as the Detroit River? 2-0?
We had a snag that we lost 3 lures right back there.
3 lures?
2 bottom bouncers and 1. We lost 3 rigs back there.
Holy moly.
Sucks.
That's bad luck.
Yeah. Where'd you catch the other one
Back there where you guys snagged?
See the red roof back there? Like that corner? Right after it. That's about right where.
There's a bad snag right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks.
Thanks. Let's bring the ones in on this side.
And put
Let's
some.
switch over to green.
Got it.
I'd switch over to green.
What I gotta do to make it fit? Yeah. Yeah, what was that guy's deal? Hey, 10-minute stop right in front of us.
Keep that one out.
I mean,
Cut the base.
I mean, we're not catching anything on anything else.
what the fuck?
You're hooked on my line.
He's not. Parker, back up.
Trying. Where?
Right there.
Keep her.
Oh, it just got off.
Did it really?
Yeah.
Did we get through all right without any line messes up?
I can't really tell.
Parker, unhook that for me real quick.
Ow. Oh. Got poop on him. Just take.
How far you want this line out?
We got it at
50.
65.
All right. Got a fish.
Lot of.
Oh, that's a big one. That's a. Never mind.
Yeah.
Decent size. Hang on. You're.
Let some line up, bro. Yeah, see that?
Got a fish on, ladies and gentlemen. She's a keeper.
Step up.
Nope, got her. Ah, it's a tiny one. She's long enough.
We're snagged on somebody. Chase, bring in then.
She's a keeper, right?
I think. Let's figure that out though. Yeah, let's keep her. Let's figure out that line real quick before we get too crazy.
This line over here. All right, what's up, guys? Chase here. Parker's right here. We're done fishing for the day,
Where's the plug?
for the weekend, and we're back out here.
Did you not cut them?
What?
Did you
not
cut them?
You know where the plug is?
Yeah.
Then go grab it.
I think I see it. Is that it?
Yes, grab the plug.
Gonna drain out now. So yeah, basically, you know, 2 days of fishing, 9 fish, not so great, but we're coming back out here next weekend, so hopefully next weekend we can catch some walleye, a lot of walleye. So
That's
yeah,
from yesterday.
yeah, this is from yesterday, and then we got 5 fish today. All right, we'll see you guys next time on Risky Fishing.